Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing some of the new Christmas Target items that are in store. Now look at how adorable these Santas are in the different skin tones. I am obsessed. There's so many cute ornaments in store, guys. These are all about $3, I believe. Look at those pretty sequin ones. Tons of like little cute animals and critters. Some glittered acorns. Look at the little astronaut, so adorable. I am obsessed with that one. He is so cute with his little trouser pants and his glasses. Then we have this pretty little reindeer girl. Some of these are have a side profile. And then we have these beautiful ones, guys. I actually have a video that I will link down below if you're interested on how to create those ornaments there from my Christmas ornament YouTube hop from last year. These are really cute, guys. I feel like we can recreate these with the felt and all that good stuff and sewing. That one is so adorable. Little snails, little unicorns in different colors. I love all the little details. And then these are like little animals. They're plastic and they're glitter. They're really cute. I know a lot of us like to dress these up with tutus and stuff like that. So I wanted to be sure to show you guys those. There was so many. These bells are so cute. They're black and they're white. There's tons of black Christmas, which I'm loving this year. Little houses, glittered. You know I love these little gold pieces here. And the reindeers are so beautiful. These little sweaters, guys, are so adorable. It comes with a little hanger. That one is a must-have. It is so cute. Little gnomies, I think, or those Christmas trees. And then we have these letters that I really adore. That one's so pretty right there, the star. Again, the reindeers are gorgeous. So yeah, most of them are $3. Look at those right there. The moths are cute and the beautiful swans. The swan has to be my favorite. It's really pretty. So the lady there's quite a lot of Halloween at my store. And look at those. Oh, they're so gorgeous. And so I was asking if they're going to be marked down. And she did mention that they might be marked down on Tuesday. So for the Christmas dollar spot section, there's so many beautiful jars and like towels and all that good stuff. It was really hard to not go crazy. And most of the stuff is priced at $3 and $5. There's not really much dollar items at my store, at least. Really cute little pieces, little canisters. These are actually tissue rolls. And the gingerbread one is so adorable. I should have grabbed two. These are the little nutcracker wood pieces that you can paint yourself. Tons of little tree ceramic pieces. These are kind of like the ones from last year. They have like little lumps of coal. One might be different, but it kind of reminded me of the same as last year, so I didn't grab any of those. Some wooden pieces that you can alter and paint. Some greenery. So many bottle brushes, you guys, and they actually have a ton that light up this year, which I should have grabbed one. And they're a pretty decent size. A couple banners. Little houses that you can, repaint. I would love to make these pink. And those are actually wooden. A bunch of decor pieces. Sorry, you hear Ava snoring in the background. I love this hot cocoa theme. There's so many hot cocoa theme things. Couple of the wooden trees, guys, and I'm obsessed with these velour looking ones. They're like suede or something, or velour. And look at the black one, you guys. The black pieces are so beautiful this year. Really fun colors. So these right here, they actually light up. I should have grabbed one of those. I'm gonna have to go back and get it for sure. We got the glass ones. Look at these, guys. Beautiful colors. I am loving that color right there. There's some cups that I typically don't see at Target. So these are starting to get real popular. They have these little DIY ornaments again, like last year. They have everything you need to set it up. That geometrical on this tree is really, really cute. This was like some kind of where you could hold like your can. They're like mittens. It's so weird, but it was really cute. I guess you can hold like your hot cocoa or whatever with it. And then these were $1. It's like the only thing I saw for $1. It's actually some trim, some Chanel trim and some eyelash trim for $1. These little stack books. Some hot cocoa signs. Really cute like decor if you want to set up like a hot cocoa bar. Some acorns. Some slippers. So yeah, I am super excited to start getting some Christmas stuff in. Those trees, guys, are so cheap, and they have the really nice lights. I bought one last year. Look at these little, I picked up some of these to cut your gift wrap with. And then some wrapping paper. The pink one was my favorite, the only one I liked, really. Some little gnomies, some little, what do you call those, sleds? Skis. And did you see that ceramic stocking feet? It's so cute. Like boots. I had to grab these deer. I grabbed the white one, but they also have these really pretty colors. Look at the pink one, guys, and that blue velour. Really cute. Some more greenery. You can set up a little, scene on top of these. The Karakuchi boards, really cute. There's a lot in Target this year. Really cute, like gingerbread shapes and stuff like that. Here goes the bottle brushes that light up, guys. I'm definitely going back to get some of these. So tread lightly at Target, guys. This stuff is going to add up. There's so many cute things. Look at this gold one. I had to pull this one. I'm like, let me see what this looks like. I had to grab this little pumpkin thing. It has like a little like spoon in it. It's really cute. I thought it'd be really cute for sequin mixes. To mix on camera. Tons of wooden pieces, guys. So let me know how you guys like these walkthroughs. I did not understand the spoon right here. That's why I was looking at it. And then we have the little Santa little jars with the tops. Oh, I had to get this right here. It's like a little glass plate. And then they have the ornament one. I wish the ornament one came in different colors. And then these are like little drinking cups. They're like shaped as ornaments with the candy cane sticks. So cute. And a ton of wood pieces. This is actually an ice maker. Look at how huge those ice balls are. And we have the gumball machines back. So that one has like a little snowball. And this one has a little like puffy on the top, which is really cute. And they're all priced at $5. I like that skate one. It's like a wall hanging piece. This little disco light. I had to grab one of those to try it out, so I'll let you guys know how that works. These are little bottle toppers. I gotta go back and get some of those. The gnome is so cute. And these are like some really fancy drinking cups. Look at the gold one on the bottom. Little sleds that you can paint. And I had to grab this, guys. It's like a gift wall hanging. That one's a little crusty, but I grabbed the nice one. And then these that they have every year. These are really cool to put your little crafting supplies on when you do your videos. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Make sure that you leave me a comment, hit like and subscribe for more videos. I will be having a haul coming up soon to show you guys what I picked up. Bye, everyone. See you in the next video.